Okay, I'm going to explain about the sidebar primitive, which is very important for basically for any kind of business tools or admin tools. So the way you add a sidebar is you basically go to the primitives, you put the keyword sidebar, and now you have a sidebar. Now, how does it work? You can see that it's already showing something. So what does it show? Here on the data tab of the sidebar, you can choose what you want to show in the sidebar. You also have the app information, a light and dark switch, and the information of the person who is logged in right now. Okay, so right now you can see it's showing three things. It's showing screens, all the ones without a tag. It's showing the profile menu and the item menu. So where are these profile menus and item menu are coming from? They're coming from here, from the menu panel. You have two default menus here. You can click in to see the menu items inside. You can even set them up. I'm not going to get into it right now, but another video for that. But basically you have two menus by default. You can use them or not use them, it's up to you. But if we don't want to use them in the sidebar, let's just delete them. Okay, so now it's showing only screens. It's not menu item, it's screens. So where do we find all the screens? You find them in the screen panel. You can also click here to always get to the screen panel. And now you have a list of screens. You see you have home, login, profile, and edit profile. All of these by default. Okay, and all of them are now visible because you see you have the eye is not crossed like here, so now it's visible. You can also set the privacy for each screen, but right now you have two pages that the privacy is okay, it's open, and the eyes are open. The eye is open, so that's why it's showing two of them. This one, the privacy is set to private, but you are logged in. You can see that I'm logged in. Okay, so it's showing. Okay, so if you want to show, let's say, on the sidebar only admin pages, you will have to tag the pages as admin, okay? So I will go ahead and I will say, I want the homepage to be, and I click on screen tags and I choose admin, okay? And then login, don't worry about it. Profile. Let's say this is an admin page. I want to make it admin, so I click on tags, edit to admin. Okay, now why is it not showing anything now? Because it was showing screens, no tags. You have to choose screens, admin. Okay, now it's showing all the admin screens. Okay, this gives you control over every menu that you want to have. So for example, on the sidebar, I want to show only maybe admin pages. All right, but maybe on the top bar here, you have a menu here. Here, maybe you want to show something else. So maybe you want to show profile pages here. And maybe at the bottom menu, maybe you want to show, let's say, user screens. Okay, so then it will show you the user menu screens, or you can show the items here, like this. Whatever. The point is that you have a sidebar. You can add any menus or any screen based on tags into it. Okay? And you also have two menus here, and by the way, you can also remove it if you don't want it. You don't have to have a menu. You don't even have to have a footer. You can just remove the footer. Okay? And you can remove the header if you want. You don't have to have that. I recommend to keep the header actually because it does have some navigation here and dark and light switch, and you can put a different menu here. But if you want, you definitely want to use the sidebar for admin tools to put all your links here.